Now, news of more food processing plants being shut down. We've got the news from Smithfield about pork processing. Susan has news about Tyson Foods. Tell me, Susan.
So this is the largest pork processing plant for Tyson, which is one of the largest food companies across America. They are now closing down their Waterloo, Iowa pork processing plant, reopening Columbus Junction recently. And this is because of COVID-19 and the outbreak amongst its workers. So we also, as you mentioned, Smithfields, they've shut down South Dakota, Wisconsin, Missouri, JBS, which is another global large food producer, also closing down Colorado, Cargill, also having plants impacted as well. And Stu, this is really hurting hog farmers. They have lost some $5 billion, decimating the rural population and the rural farmers. And some say that they probably need some help as well. But also it impacts the food supply across the U.S., with processing taking a toll on taking supply out of the market.
The food supply chain is being interrupted here by these processing plant shutdowns. I don't want to throw you a question which you have trouble answering, but are we in danger of shutting down the food supply chain for pork, for example?
When it comes to pork, possibly, since we know that hog farmers, they can grow the hog and they have the pork available, but if you can't process it, you can't get it to the food and table and stores.
Okay, here it comes. Susan, thank you very much.